Hello again. Here is just the second part of this question 9, which is to find the width of the gorge from C to D. So I'll just go back to my picture here. It's from C to D. Okay, well if I just call that W for my width. W is in a right angled triangle. There's a W there straight up to the A, and then so it's the XHW triangle. So being a right angled triangle, I will just use Pythagoras' theorem to find W. I could have used a trig function because I've got the angle in the corner as well, but I'll choose to use the Pythagoras' theorem. So what I'm going to use is Pythagoras. And what he said was that a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where my c is the longest side, or the hypotenuse. So in this particular question, my longest side is the x squared, so mine would be that h squared plus w squared is x squared. Oops, x squared. And I know what my h is because I just worked that out in the previous part of the question, so I'm going to have that 28.13 squared plus w squared equals, now x over here I did before was 42.04, and I will get the calculator to solve that because the calculator is very good at calculating. Here we go, calc, solve. I'll just type that in like it is. So I've got 28.13 squared plus I've got to get w squared. I'm going to use x because the calculator is familiar and friendly with x's, and that equals 42.04 squared. And I close that off, and an xy, and there we go. Interestingly, the calculator has given me a negative answer and a positive answer because the solution to this equation, of course, is positive and negative in a theoretical sense, but in a practical sense it doesn't make any it's not possible to have a negative length, so our length must be the positive version of that, which is 31.24. and that is measured in meters, so we'll just write that the width of the gorge is 31.24, and that is that.